Why do we call it Easter? There are so many things we might call the resurrection of Jesus Christ. In fact, in the scriptures, there are many things that we talk about. The risen Lord, his resurrection, as I just mentioned. But we often today talk about Easter. And I think that's a beautiful word to use. Let's actually map out why. Easter comes from the word east. If you consider what happens every single morning, all around the world, wherever you are, if you turn and face east, you will see the rising sun. Now, obviously, there might be clouds or some other obstruction, but the sun always rises in the east. And that is why every year we celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ at Easter time. It's because, like Jesus, who rose, we also will rise from the dead because of his power. We look to the east. The sun is what comes up every single morning from the east. It's a symbol of what will happen to all of us because of the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Because all of us have kept our first estate, all of us will be brought back into the presence of God in our bodily form. That is the promise of resurrection. So in this Easter season, as you think about Jesus, I encourage you to pay attention to the rising sun. And when I say the rising sun, it's both the rising sun that we see every day as well as the Son of God. And whatever challenges you face, God can lift you up. He can cause you to rise again. That is the power of the gospel, and that is the power of his love.